Hello students, let us come back to our MAT channel to study the concepts of mathematics from level 1 to level 12, 13, 14, whatever the grade you want to choose from the lectures what we are discussing so far. So this is a new playlist we created under the heading Elementary Number Theory. So many topics to be covered along with the problems in parts. Let us start with the first one, how to find the GCD by long division method. GCD stands for greatest common divisor. GCD stands for the greatest common divisor. So here we can take two or more positive integers, and the idea is that what is the highest factor or highest positive number that can divide the given integers. That is the idea to find out. How to find them? There are various methods are there, among which we are discussing today the long division method. Is very simple to understand for level 1 students. Let us see that how it works. Find the GCD of 1, 6 and 2, 4, 8. So I have selected two positive integers 16 and 248. How to perform this long division method to compute the GCD of those two numbers. Highest number that can divide these two. It's very simple. Always we divide the larger number by smaller number. So you can take like this 16, 248. Now we have to choose, because unlike in ordinary division, here we have to focus on 3 digits. It is not easy for a lower level student to compute that factor clearly. Let us see what is the highest number we can choose. 1 digit, it is very less than 16 here. We take 2 digits here, 24. So we can work out the 16. 16 1 times 16. So the difference is 8. Get down the 8. Ordinary division we are doing here so far. So 16 5 times it is 80. Very clear. The remainder is 8. From here, because all the 3 digits have been covered, so 16 into 15 times we are going to get 8 as remainder. This complete number by using ordinary division. Then again you get back the divisor that becomes dividend here. This is very simple. It goes 2 times. Once you get remainder 0, stop. So when you move along this direction, the first non-zero remainder is equal to the GCD required. We can write small letters also. Therefore, GCD, we denote like this. GCD of those two numbers 16, 248, any manner you can write. It comes out to be this one, 8. So like that we can perform based on the numbers. This procedure keep on going till you get remainder 0. Always you see that every time the remainder whatever obtained in the previous step becomes divisor, and the divisor whatever it is there in the previous step becomes dividend. Like that this procedure will continue till you get remainder 0. You move from down to top along this direction towards left-hand direction, the first non-zero remainder, it is remainder, you see, after computing the division, it is a remainder. The first non-zero remainder is the GCD. So 8 is the highest factor that can divide these two numbers. Hope it is very clear to you. Next video we are going to cover one more approach. Do like our video and share to your friends so that concept points are very important to understand mathematics. All the best.